Not every building, bridge, or structure gets to live out its dream of becoming a forever home for pigeons, graffiti artists, or questionable architectural trends. Sometimes they've simply outstayed their welcome and it's time for a dramatic exit. Enter the rock stars of the construction world, demolition heavy machinery. These bad boys are just as crucial as the cranes and cement mixers that put these structures together. Because, let's face it, if you're going to say goodbye, why not do it in a cloud of dust, rubble, and sheer mechanical awesomeness? Over the years, the mad scientists of engineering, who we assume have an unhealthy obsession with wrecking balls, have worked tirelessly to create demolition machines that don't just do the job, they do it with the finesse of a wrecking ballet. Seriously, these machines make tearing down a building look like a high-octane sport that deserves its own Olympic category. And let's not forget, modern buildings are made from materials tough enough to withstand hurricanes, earthquakes, and every bad decision ever made in their conference rooms. You can't just show up with a sledgehammer and a YouTube tutorial. Nope. You need a machine that looks like it moonlights as a transformer and sounds like it's roaring for vengeance. So, grab your popcorn or maybe some safety goggles as we dive into the world of demolition heavy machinery, the mighty roaring beasts that turn sky-high dreams into ground-level dust in the blink of an eye. Let's get wrecking. Cue the spotlight on the KC1600s, a demolition machine so mighty it makes wrecking look like an art form. Manufactured by Germany's own KTAG GmbH in 2013, this colossal crusher simplifies the messy business of bringing down old buildings. With its ingenious ability to blast and demolish each building segment in a sequence, it's like a conductor leading an orchestra of rubble. Bravo! And let's talk dominance. This bad boy holds over 60% of the European market. Why? Because of its out-of-the-box 3-step boom attachment that laughs in the face of 30-story buildings. If demolition were a sport, the KC1600s would be Michael Jordan with a wrecking ball. Next up is the Volvo EC400, the James Bond of demolition machines. Released in 2022 by Volvo Construction Engineering, this high-tech crawler excavator doesn't just tear things apart, it does it with unmatched safety, reliability, and durability. Maintenance, a breeze, performance, spectacular. From large-scale projects to smashing the dreams of poorly designed buildings, the EC400 is a staple in the demolition world. You don't just hire this machine, you call it in like a superhero. No demolition show would be complete without the CAT 352 UHD. Since its debut in 2020, this hydraulic powerhouse has been reducing ultra-high-rise buildings, up to 9 stories, to pancake status. But it's not just about brute strength. The 352 UHD is designed for operator safety and comfort, with a cab that tilts up to 30 degrees for premium visuals and efficiency. Imagine doing your job while reclining. Now, that's workplace luxury. If the KC1600s is the artist and the Volvo EC400 is the spy, the CAT 6015B is the heavyweight champion. Born from a collaboration between DSM, a UK demolition specialist, and Caterpillar in 2016, this beast takes heavy lifting to another level. With a tool-carrying capacity of up to 7,000 kilograms, it's like hoisting 3 to 4 Rolls-Royce cars at once. Forget Swiss Army knives. This machine is the ultimate multitasker. And finally, we present the Kobelco SK1600D, the crowned king of demolition. Holding the Guinness World Record for being the tallest demolition machine on Earth, this 63-meter colossus can take down buildings twice the height of the Statue of Liberty. If that's not impressive enough, its elegance in action might convince you that skyscraper smashing deserves its own ballet troupe. Kobelco doesn't just tear down buildings, it rewrites history in the dust. When it comes to game-changing machines, the KMC 1600s doesn't just demolish buildings, it demolishes expectations. This beast of a machine comes armed with a triple boom attachment, making it the action hero of demolition sites around the globe. Remember the massive former power plant in Lunen, Germany? Yeah, that was the KMC 1600s flexing its muscles. And muscles it has. With an operating weight of 250 tons, this demolition titan isn't just big. It's 21 double-decker buses stacked together big. That's the kind of size that makes you reconsider parking near a demolition zone. Now, powering this juggernaut is a 175 horsepower Cummins diesel engine that can go 10 hours straight without breaking a sweat. Imagine your car doing that, except your car isn't built to rip apart buildings like it's peeling an orange. The real star of the show, though, is the 3-piece front attachment and telescopic high-reach arm. This isn't just engineering, it's a mechanical masterpiece. With features like autonomous installation and a counterweight lifting system, it's the type of machine that makes other heavy equipment feel insecure. In short, the KMC 1600s isn't just a machine, it's a demolition symphony conductor, orchestrating the destruction of high-rises with grace and precision. If the KMC 1600s is the muscle, then the Volvo EC400 is the brainiac that still knows how to throw a punch. At first glance, you might mistake this sleek excavator for just another all-purpose machine, but don't let its calm exterior fool you. This is the Swiss Army knife of demolition equipment. Its predecessor, the EC380E, was no slouch. It could knock down a couple of houses and dig like a champ. But the EC400? It ups the ante with optimized hydraulic lines, giving it a total reach of 15 meters. That's a 30% increase over the older model, meaning this bad boy can take down a 4 to 5 story building faster than you can say, building permit revoked. Weighing in at 115,000 pounds, the EC400 is powered by a 339 horsepower engine and an arsenal of features like an electro-hydraulic system and intelligent technology. It's like giving a bulldozer the brain of a rocket scientist. And because it's 2024, the EC400 doesn't just wreck buildings, it pampers its operator. With demolition assist tools, a front view camera, and a system that feels like it was designed in Silicon Valley, you'll feel like you're bringing down skyscrapers from the comfort of your own jacuzzi. Imagine if you had a Harry Potter-esque wand, but instead of casting spells, it brought down iconic structures like the London Bridge in one swoop. That's the magic of the CAT 352 UHD demolition machine. This powerhouse doesn't rely on wizardry, but it sure feels like it. With a maximum pin height of 90.8 feet and a stick capacity of 8,157 pounds, this beast could theoretically dismantle the Golden Gate Bridge in just 4 neat compartments. Talk about efficiency. And the engine? Oh, it's got the goods. The 424 horsepower CAT C13 engine doesn't just meet global emission standards like Tier 4 Final, EU Stage 5, and Japan 2014, it smashes them. That means this machine delivers best-in-class tool capacity, tearing down bridges and buildings with the kind of speed and precision that would make ninjas jealous. With a total operating weight of 143,300 pounds, this isn't your garden variety excavator. And the swing mechanism? It's practically showing off. With a swift 8.44 revolutions per minute and a maximum swing torque of 139,000 foot-pound force, it ensures every move counts in the race to turn towering buildings into manageable rubble. Next up, meet the CAT 6015B, the result of a collaboration between UK demolition specialists, DSM and Caterpillar. This machine didn't just live up to the hype, it obliterated it. The 6015B is a marvel of engineering with an intuitive boom system that supports 3 configurations: intermediate booms, dippers, and triple articulating booms. And the best part? It's so easy to set up that even first-time operators can handle it. Talk about user-friendly destruction. Weighing 230 tons and equipped with a 7,000 kilogram factory-fitted attachment, the CAT 6015B takes optimization to another level. You can slap on an additional 5,000 kilograms of attachments, bringing its reach to an awe-inspiring 102 meters. That's high enough to touch the top of El Capitan. But it's not just about size. This machine is also a symbol of versatility and safety. Operators can sit back in the cab while the CAT 6015B reconfigures itself to clear debris after demolishing high-rises. It's like having a personal assistant, except instead of fetching coffee, it obliterates skyscrapers. Finally, let's give a standing ovation to the Kobelco SK1600D, the world's first super-large building demolition machine, debuting in 2002. This 398,000-pound monster comes with 4 boom configurations: fixed boom, mid-stick, stick, and stinger. Together, these attachments make crushing buildings feel like stepping on eggshells, if eggshells were made of concrete and steel. The SK1600D's extraordinary crushing ability has turned it into a spectacle of speed, efficiently tearing through high-rises like it's on a demolition time trial. But this kind of power raises a fair question. What about operator safety? While the Kobelco team has made strides in machine safety, some believe the future lies in machines that eradicate the need for human operators altogether. What do you think? Should we move toward a fully autonomous demolition fleet? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more powerful machinery showcases. Until next time, let's get wrecking.